Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Harmony One coin, and definitely I am going to tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my next long duration targets and my next medium duration target for this token right now. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is the CoinGecko page of Harmony One coin and it is currently trading at $0.12 and price increases 50% in just 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 83 and market cap of this token is 1.1 billion and 24-hour volume of this token is 728 million. Total circulating supply of this token is 9.2 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. In 1 year, this token give 6,283% to its holders. Very good profit. And return on investment is 3,763%. And market dominance of this token is, market cap dominance of this token is 0.06%. And volume according to the market cap is 0.639%. And all-time high of this token was on March 19, 2021 and the price was $0.12. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020 and the price was 0.00127355. And it is available on these exchanges, Binance, Huobi Global and on some important exchanges. And let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you my target for this token right now. This is the 1 USDT chart of Binance 4 hour and it is currently trading at $0.12 and it is ready to break its all-time high on this chart. And this is the horizontal resistance is previous all-time high of this token at $0.127. Let me please tell you my first target. These green lines are support lines and these are upside resistance levels. And this is now the support line. And let me please tell you immediate short-term target. It is currently creating a bull flag, you can see. And let me please show you my first target. I will try my best to do technical analysis and will tell you very accurate target, I think so. I will try this. And I am going to tell you very realistic target, I think so. So please thumbs up the like button right now. And let me please clone this. And after that, we have to put on this line. This is our first target. $0.15 is our target of this bull flag right now, and you have to wait. And this is our first target, and after hitting this target, let me please tell you my second target. These two targets are immediate short-term target for this token right now, and I think this token should have to achieve these targets within some days, I think so. And this is my second target. 0.17 and 0.1777 is our second target. First bull flag target is 0.158 and second target is 0.1777. And let me please tell you my long duration target for this token right now. All-time low of this token on this chart is 0.00401. And let me please tell you my medium duration target for this token. And after that, I will tell you my long duration targets of 1 year to 1.5 year. $0.52 is my next target, and this target maybe this token can achieve within 6 months. 3 to 6 months, this is my first target, and it should have to give you 300% gain, I think so. And this is very realistic target. And in 2021, because this token has having very bright future in 2021, that is why I am saying this. And this is my first this is my target of 2021. I think this token should have to hit $1 and should have to give you 700% gain within 2021. This is my very realistic target. First target is 0.52, or you can say $0.50, and second target is $1 for this token. And these are the targets of 2021, and Harmony should have to hit these targets within 2021. These are very realistic targets for the Harmony right now. And if you like this video, please thumbs up the like button. And if you want to trade this, please, and if you want to invest in this token, then please do your own research before investing in this token, because this video is just for informational purpose. I will not responsible any of your loss. Please do your own research before entering in any coin and before investing in any coin. And please thumbs up the like button right now. Keep supporting me. Thanks.